Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic how to reset the Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the reasons to reset the Windows 11 PC or laptop when you face the system performance issue. Otherwise, if you found any corrupted system files or if you want to sell your laptop or computer to somebody. So in those cases, you can use this option reset this PC. So if you choose this option reset this PC, you will install the fresh copy of Windows. So there are three methods to reset the PC actually. The first method is using the Windows settings. The second method is using the advanced startup option. You can say Windows recovery environment also. The third method is using the command prompt. So using these three methods, you can reset the Windows 11 PC. So before that, make sure if you enable the BitLocker, you should have the BitLocker recovery key also. Now I will show you how to reset the Windows 11 PC using Windows settings. Open settings, tap on system, scroll down, tap on recovery. Here you can find the option reset this PC. Tap on reset PC. So after you tap on reset PC, it will open a dialog box reset PC. Here you can find two options. Keep my files, remove everything. So if you choose this option keep my files, it will remove applications and settings, but it will keep your personal files. If you choose this option remove everything, it will remove everything application settings, including your personal files also. So if you don't want any backup, you can go with the remove everything. Otherwise, if you want any documents or your personal files, you can go with this option, keep my files. I don't want anything. I will go with this option, remove everything. Tap on remove everything. After that, here you can find two options. How would you like to reinstall Windows? One option is cloud download, another option is local reinstall. So what is the difference between cloud download and local reinstall? If you choose this option, cloud download, this option will download the fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft server and you will get the latest version, including updates also. If you choose this option, cloud download. And next option is local reinstall. If you choose this option, local reinstall, it will reinstall the Windows using the existing system files actually. So it will not download any copy from the internet or Microsoft server. But if you choose this option, cloud download, you should have the internet and it will take extra time compared to local reinstall actually. It will take more time actually. Choose the cloud download. But if you choose the local reinstall, it will finish. It will finish completely. Then it will finish early actually compared to cloud download. And if you choose the cloud download, it will take extra 4 GB of data also. It will use more than 4 GB of data. So I will choose now cloud download. Tap on cloud download. And here you can find additional settings also, current settings with what you choose. So I already choose remove everything, right? So it will remove apps files and it will download and reinstall Windows also. If you want to change the settings also, you can tap on this change settings. So if you want to modify any settings, here you can modify also. Toggle this button on to modify. Then if you enable this clean data option, so it will clean the drive completely. It will take more time and you cannot recover any files also later. If you want to toggle this option, you can toggle also. If you want to make any changes here, just toggle this on and off actually to make changes. Tap on confirm. Tap on next. It will take some time actually. Ready to reset this PC. Resetting will, so it will remove all personal files to remove any changes into settings, remove all apps and programs, and download and reinstall Windows. So this will take a while and your PC will restart couple of times actually. It will use the cloud download, it will use the more than 3.37 GB of data. So after you did all these things, just tap on reset. Your system also will restart couple of times. So just tap on reset. So here you can check the status also. It is downloading. It is downloading the Windows from the internet. You can check the download status also. Here you can observe actually the system is restarted and resetting the PC also. So please wait, it will reset the PC also. So resetting PC also, it will take some time. Now resetting PC is completed. It is installing now. Your computer may restart few times. So your computer restart couple of times actually during installation. So please wait. Actually now after restarting the PC, you can observe here, it is asking for to select the region. Recently Microsoft introduced the bypass the Microsoft account actually. You know the process already. So using that process, you can directly navigate to the create local account page actually. So for that, just press the Shift F10, press Shift F10 on your keyboard. And execute this command. Run this command. Start space ms hyphen txh column local only. So if you want complete information about this command, I will give the link, the video description below. So just watch that video also. So if you run this command, it will directly navigate to the local account. It will directly navigate to the local account creation page. So run this command start space ms7 txh column local only and hit enter. So just create a local user account. Just give the name who is going to use this PC and enter the passwords also. And enter the security questions also. Tap on next. So after that, you know already how the installation process how is going on. So follow the same steps. So using the second method, you can reset the Windows 11 PC. I mean, then it is useful actually when you unable to log into the operating system. I mean, when you unable to boot into the operating system. So in that scenario, you can reset the PC using the Windows recovery environment. Otherwise, using the advanced startup options. So now I will show you the second method. Using the second method, how you can reset the Windows 11 PC. So when you are unable to log into the Windows, when you are unable to boot into the Windows, directly it will startup at the, I mean, it will stuck at the advanced startup settings. So here you need to select the troubleshoot, tap on troubleshoot and hit enter. I mean, when you select the continue also, you cannot boot actually. In that scenario, in that cases, you need to use this option troubleshoot. So sometimes you try to continue to your operating system, still it will navigate to the advanced startup options only. So in that cases, use this troubleshoot, select the troubleshoot and hit enter and tap on reset this PC. Otherwise, directly hit enter, reset this PC. So same settings, it will ask now. Keep my files or remove everything. So if you don't want any backup, just directly tap on remove everything. If you need your data, go with the keep my files. So I don't need any data. I will choose remove everything, hit enter. So I already told you right before what is the difference between cloud and local reinstall. So cloud, it will directly download the Windows from the Microsoft server. If you choose local reinstall, it will download the Windows from the existing system files. But if you choose the cloud download, it will take a lot of time. This time I will go with the local reinstall and hit enter. So follow the same steps now. How you reset the PC, will follow the same step and it will reset your, it will restart your PC couple of times now. This is the second times. This is the second method actually. And it will take some time and it will restart your PC couple of times. Here it is asking your PC has more than one drive. Do you want to remove all files from all drives? Your PC has more than one drive. Do you want to remove all files from all drives? So if you want to delete the data from the Windows drive, choose this one. Otherwise, if you want to delete data from all drives, choose this option. I will go with this option only the drive where Windows is installed. When you have multiple drives, so it is asking for the confirmation actually. So go with this option, only the drive where Windows is installed. So I will go with the fully clean drive. Otherwise, if you want to only remove files, go with this option. If you want to keep your personal files, only want to remove the application, go with this option. Otherwise, you can fully clean drive also. I will go with this option, fully clean the drive. And follow the instruction. Follow the installation instructions actually. It will reset the PC and it will restart your PC couple of times. So follow the steps. So this is the second method actually. So in the first method, what are the steps? Same steps it will repeat in this process also. So follow the same steps. Now we will see how to reset the PC using the command prompt. So for the command prompt, you need to run the command prompt as an administrator. Open the command prompt. Run the command prompt as an administrator. Run as administrator. This is the third method actually. Tap on yes. Here you need to run one command actually. Using the command, we can reset the PC actually. Now, this is the one command, but sometimes this command it won't work actually because in the some editions this command in some editions this command it is not working actually. System reset hyphen factory reset. This command is not working in the all the editions. I think Microsoft removed from some editions this command actually. So try to run this command first. System reset hyphen factory reset. System reset hyphen factory reset and hit enter. That sorry, just hit enter. System reset space hyphen factory reset. Just hit enter. So it is saying that system reset, it is not recognized as internal or external command. I mean, actually, this command, it is removed from the Windows 11 editions actually. Some editions, it is not working. In case if it is working in your edition, run this command. Otherwise, if this command, it is not work, use this command. This is the second command. Actually, system settings, admin flows actually. T Windows, T columns, // Windows, system32, system settings, admin flows, .exe, space, PHL reset. So, in case if it will not open the reset PC settings, just try to open the settings first. Open the settings. And now again run this command. And hit enter. So here you can observe now. After you run that command, the page it will open actually. Directly it will open the reset PC actually. So this is the third method actually. So first you need to open the settings page. After you open the settings page, after you open the settings page, just run this command. So after, if you run this command, it will directly open the reset settings. So this is the third method. In this way also you can reset the PC. So follow the same steps. But this command system reset space hyphen factory reset is not working in some editions actually. So in case if it is not working, execute this command, run this command. I will give you the commands in the video description below. So in these three ways, in these three methods, you can reset the Windows 11 PC actually using the Windows settings. And second method is using the advanced startup options or Windows recovery environment. Third method is using the command prompt. So in these three methods, you can reset the Windows 11 PC. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please do subscribe my channel and please hit bell icon for more upcoming videos. And if you have any queries, please post a comment also. And if you like the video, please share with your friends and family also. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for your time.